The Earth, older than memory, shaped by water, fire, ice. A record of life itself, held in stone. At the School of Geosciences at WITS, we look deeper, beyond what can be seen, beyond what has been done before. This is the Earth Observatory, the only facility of its kind in Africa. A place where every sample takes the full scientific journey, from mineral separation to isotope analysis, from uranium lead dating to hydrogeology and geometallurgy, from automated mineralogy to cutting-edge geophysical acquisition. Here, researchers, students and industry partners work side by side, mapping the invisible, uncovering systems shaping our planet, its deep structures, hidden ores, changing climates, ancient beginnings. This is where instruments meet imagination, where discovery opens new frontiers for science, for Africa, for the world. The Earth still holds secrets. This is where we begin to unlock them. This is where we unearth new futures. Because every discovery brings us closer to understanding the world beneath our feet and the one ahead.